My name is Desiree with WTI, and I have found the perfect gift for every little one that loves things under the sea. This plush throw blanket is gorgeous. It has so much detail to it that your little one is bound to fall in love with. Not only does it have this beautiful mermaid tail with its scales, it also has detail of bubbles and seashells and starfish all over it, with beautiful colors of pink and purple and hints of turquoise. I have even fallen in love with this beautiful blanket. I also love the size of it because my two girls can share it. It is 50 by 60, so perfect for them to use whether it is to cuddle up on bed or even on the couch, and also to take on the go because it is just so nice and soft and warm, which is one thing we love about it. Also, what is so neat about this blanket is the beautiful way that it is wrapped up to be able to give as a gift. Every little one will love to untie that satin bow that it comes in. So if you have been looking for the perfect gift for the little mermaid in your life, this is definitely one to check out. But that's just my point of view.